Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to tie a silk skirt in an elegant kind of way. So today I'm gonna be working with a rectangular scarf in a silk fabric. Roll your scarf into a triangle and begin to roll up. Place your scarf around your neck and create a double twist, and take your scarf behind your neck and tighten. This is called turtleneck. Isn't this looking elegant and classy? I love this particularly. So the next one is place your scarf around your neck, roll behind and bring it forward. This is quite simple. Make a clean straight line and you can tighten it to your left or to your right. It's up to you according to what you want, but I feel my angle is on the left. Oh yeah? I'm loving all the styles I'm creating today. So the next one is you're going to place this scarf on your neck, crisscross. Take your scarf behind and bring it forward. Just look closely so you can understand what I'm doing in this video. We're going to be making a tie. And there you go. Quite simple. Here. This is mainly worn at the back of people who work in the corporate offices or somewhere. I've seen it's so common. So drape your scarf around your neck. This is a little bit tricky, so watch closely so you can understand what I'm really doing in this video. Tie a knot, a double knot. You really understand why I said that after the tying the scarf. And there you go. This looks like a cowgirl kind of style. How does it look? I think this makes me look sexy at the same time keeping it classy. Oh yeah. Moving on to the next one. My cat is always in my business. Alright, create a loop. This is similar to the crosshatch. Place the other end of your scarf behind the loop just to make it tie. The only difference between this and the crosshatch is you're going to be tying this around the collar of your shirt to create the same tie. It's quite simple. Don't make it too tight so you don't end up suffocating yourself. Adjust the color of your shirt accordingly, making a boring shirt classic. So I'm gonna be placing my scarf underneath my t-shirt, right inside the hole I just showed you right now. Guess what I'm doing? I'm gonna be creating a bow tie. I call this the preacher's wife kind of scarfing. Just simple. Make sure it's a bow tie or something similar. That'll be okay. Adjust accordingly. Don't be overly creative, otherwise you're gonna end up not getting exactly what we're doing right here. Unless you want something else, and that's it. Or you can create whatever you want. I've seen people rock this style of scarf at a church most of the time. Okay, and now we're gonna create a twist all to the end. You see this loop right here? I'm gonna place the twisted scarf underneath this loop over and over again to create something almost perfect, in my opinion. There you go. Like I said, I love my left side. This is my angle, but you can choose to do whatever you want. What do you think? Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.